Hello class 9, it is my third video of lesson 3 history, Nazism and rise of Hitler. In the second video, I was discussing about the condition of Germany after First World War. Germany defeated in First World War and there was the birth of Weimar Republic. But just after the birth of Weimar Republic, this particular Weimar Republic faced various problems. The problems of Treaty of Versailles, financial problem, as well as the political problem. My dear student, in this video, I will discuss some more problems which were faced by Germany, including the Weimar Republic. As you can see on the whiteboard, I have written political radicalism and economic crisis. First of all, what is the meaning of radicalism? Radicalism means change. What type of change? Sudden change. Means when there was the presence of Weimar Republic, a democratic government, at that time there was a type of revolution for the political change. What type of changes were needed at that time in the field of politics? Please listen. First of all, at that time when Weimar Republic was facing various problems in Germany after the First World War, there was the emergence of a league. That particular league name is Spartacist. This particular league was running by Soviets or group of workers. These workers were making their Soviets or group in the various cities of the Germany, and they were trying to run the government of Germany according to their own ideas. That is why they started to oppose the work of Weimar Republic through the Soviets of workers. But you know very well, the Democrats, the Catholics, these all were the part of Weimar Republic or the supporter of Weimar Republic. With the help of them, this particular Spartacist league was crushed. But at that time, this Spartacist or Spartacist league was converted in Germany as the Communist Party. My dear student, you know very well that at that time when the Weimar Republic was supported by the Socialist, Democrats and Catholics, and the Spartacist league was supported, or this particular league was changed in the Communist Party. These two ideas, means the Socialist, Democrats and Catholics, were not ready to accept the Communists. Means in the political field there were various opinions which were not ready to accept to each other. That is why we find it was the condition and it helped for the rise of Hitler. Student, the second point which I have written on the whiteboard, hyperinflation. What is the meaning of hyperinflation? Hyperinflation means when the prices will rise high. Means when the price of goods will high. This is the condition known as the hyperinflation, and this condition came in Germany in the year of 1923. Actually, you know very well that Germany fought the First World War, and this particular war brought various financial problems for Germany. Actually, whatever expenses were there in the First World War for Germany. These all expenses were coming from the loan. And earlier, Germany, paid that particular loan by the gold. But when the stock of gold was over in Germany, Germany denied to pay the loan. And to face this particular economic crisis, the government of Germany, did some work in the field of economy. The government started to issue the new currencies in a lot. Here you just try to understand, when the new currency were ready to flow in the market, there was money in the hand of people. They started to buy the goods in a lot, and it brought a type of what? Lack of goods in the market. And when there will be lack of goods in the market, no doubt it will raise the price of the goods, and it is known as the hyperinflation. In the time of hyperinflation in Germany, the purchasing value of German currency was very poor, and at that time the financial problem of Germany was running with great problem. Here I want to tell, in this particular condition, USA helped Germany through a very important plan, and this plan is known as the Dawes Plan. In the Dawes Plan, Germany got help or economic help from the USA. But it was not the end of the problems of the Germany. As you can see on this whiteboard, I have written the years of depression or stress. What is the meaning of this? Actually, when in the year of 1923, Germany was suffering from hyperinflation, and in the year of 1924, when Germany got the economic help from the USA, from 1924 to 1928, there was some rest, there was some stability in Germany in the field of economy. But you may see, in the year of 1929, something was happened in USA also. USA, which was helping the Germany in the time of financial crisis of Germany. In the year of 1929, whatever support was given by the USA to Germany, that support was over or withdrawn. Why? What was the reason? Why? Because Germany was getting the financial support by USA, but in the year of 1929, USA itself got the financial problem, and it is known as the years of depression. What is the meaning of that? Actually, the stock exchange or the share market of Germany, of America, was crushed or crashed. People, those who invested money in the share, they started to sell their share, and they started to take their money, and it brought a type of crisis in money in the market. And it was the time when USA was suffering from the economic crisis, and that is why whatever support was given by USA to Germany was withdrawn or over. Now you can see that what was the time in the 1923 or before that, Germany was suffering from the economic crisis, and again when the support of USA was withdrawn, Germany again faced the economic or financial crisis, which I have written here, an economic crisis in this particular topic. you may see that when Germany got the economic or financial problem, the industrial production was reduced. Due to lack of production, there was lack of goods, there was poverty, and there was lack of job, and it brought a type of unemployment. The youth of Germany were moving here and there on the road or on the street for the work. When there was no hope or there was no light of hope for work, they started to do some criminal activity for fulfilling their stomach. There was a lack of production in the agriculture, and it brought a type of economic problem in Germany. My dear student, I am talking about the problems of Germany during the Weimar Republic just after the First World War. In the second video, it was told to you that after the First World War, there was the birth of Weimar Republic, and Weimar Republic, formed a constitution. But there was various problems in particular constitution. What were the problems? The first problem is defects in Weimar constitution. Means whatever rules and regulations were made by the Weimar Republic and written in the constitution, there were some problems in that particular constitution. The first very important problem is written here, coalition government. Actually, in the Weimar Republic, there were various political parties, but at that time no political party was able to get majority or to form the government without the help of any political party. And it brought a type of condition, means the Germany will not run without the coalition government. And when there will be coalition government, the ideas and views of the political party will not same, and it will bring a type of problem in the Germany, and this problem was faced in the Germany. My dear student, the second very important problem or defects in the Weimar Republic is related with the Article 48. You can see on the whiteboard also. In the Article 48, there was a provision that when there will be need, the President can impose emergency and suspend the civil rights, means the common rights of the citizen. And when the Weimar Republic or the Germany was suffering or getting various problems at that time, there were or various times this particular Article 48 was used. The people were suffering by the suspension of their rights. The people of Germany were suffering by the imposing of emergency in the country. That is why, with the passage of time, the support which was given to the Weimar Republic just after the First World War, now the condition was changed. Now the people, you may see here, lost the confidence in the parliamentary system, especially on the Weimar Republic. It was the time when the democratic system of or the Republican or the Weimar Republic was facing the problem. At that time, the condition of Germany was very poor. There was a political problem, there was a economical crisis, there was a defect in Weimar Constitution, there was a Treaty of Versailles. These all problems were not good for the Germany. That is why it was the time for the rise of Hitler, and these all situations were giving a type of condition for the rise of Nazism, Hitler and Nazism in Germany. So according to this particular video, today I will ask two questions to you. The first question which I will ask to you, Which provisions in the Weimar Constitution led to the downfall of democracy in Germany? I have written these all provisions written on the whiteboard. These were the provisions which were the reasons for the downfall of democracy in Germany. And the second question, what were the causes and consequences of 1929 economic depression? I have written these all were the problems and consequences of the depression or economic depression in 1929 in. I hope you understood this video and I hope that you will write answer of these two questions. Thank you very much.